Implants for dental purposes have been an increasingly popular choice for replacing missing teeth since they offer a long-lasting solution which feels and looks as natural teeth. But a lot of patients are hesitant to go through the process due to concerns about the process of recovery. In this short video, we'll look at the process of recovery is following the procedure of getting dental implants. In the first place, it is crucial to remember that the experience of each patient in the process of recovery may differ. Things like the amount of implants implanted and the overall health of the patient, as well as how they adhere to postoperative guidelines, will all impact the healing procedure. Following the procedure, patients may feel pain, swelling, and bleeding. It is normal, and it is easily treated with the prescription medications for pain and applying cold packs on the affected region. It's also essential to take a break and refrain from strenuous actions for the initial few days after the surgery. Following the procedure, patients must adhere to a gentle diet in order to not put excessive pressure on the implants. Things like yogurt, soup, potatoes mashed, smoothies, and soups are soft on your mouth and can aid in healing. Also, it is important to keep your mouth clean by flossing gently and brushing on the site of your implant, according to the instructions of your dentist. Patients can also receive antibiotics for infection prevention as well as a mouthwash to aid in healing. It is essential to adhere to instructions from your dentist regarding medications and oral hygiene to guarantee an optimal result. In the coming weeks, patients will slowly introduce harder food items back to their diets as implants start to bind to the jawbone. It is important to refrain from eating or chewing directly on the implant until the site is completely repaired to avoid any issues. In the course of healing, patients may be required to visit their dentist regularly to track the progress of healing and to ensure that implants are properly integrating. It is crucial to maintain appointments with your dentist to discuss any issues that might occur. Following the initial period of healing, patients can anticipate to receive temporary bridges or crowns put over implants to improve their appearance and function. The temporary ones will be replaced by permanent ones after implants are fully repaired and are fully integrated into the jawbone. The entire process of healing after receiving dental implants usually takes some time, since implants require time to bond with the bone before they are able to support the final crown. The patient should maintain excellent oral hygiene and plan periodic dental examinations to ensure the condition of their implants as well as the adjacent teeth. The recovery procedure following the placement of dental implants is an important period that demands patience, proper treatment, and attention to details. If you follow the instructions of your dentist and maintaining a healthy oral health as well as attending regular appointments, patients are able to anticipate an outcome that is successful and reap the advantages of their new implants over the years.